Hey, what's up, Spore Finance holders? How are you? My friends, as you know, it is the last date of month. On the last date of month, the people doing a very big mistake. My friends, please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. If you do this mistake, so you're in the loss. And if you don't do this mistake, so absolutely you are in the profit. I hope that you will get a good amount of profit from this Spore if you hold Spore Finance. Keep watching this video for more details. And remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's start the video, friends. First of all, we look the latest update, and after that we discuss that what's going on this time in the Spore. Let's see, my friends. Now the latest update in the Spore and the price is zero. That's not mean that the price is exact zero. No, the price is low. That's why the price showing here as zero, my friends. Same like that. If you look the price changes occur in the Spore, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is negative. Except of these, the last 1 week pricing is negative. And now from yesterday the pricing is going better. You can see here that is the last 3 days price chart of the Spore, my friend. That's clear for everyone that now this time they take a jump, my friend. So that is why I'm feeling very happy with this Spore, my friends. Anyways, what you think about Spore, please share me in the comment box. And I'm feeling very satisfied about Spore because I know, my friends, the future of the Spore finance is bright. You can see here, now they continue. There is the new pattern of Spore finance. You can see here, in the new pattern they start jumping. So I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time, for a 1 month, for 2 weeks, for 1 week. But they are in the jumping mood, and in this time the people decide to sell. That is the mistake of holders, that when they start jumping, so they decide to sell. Why are you selling, my friends? It's time to hold. It's time to buy Spore, my friends. That is my opinion. That is my prediction about Spore. Please tell me in the comment box. What is your opinion and how much you hold Spore in this time? Please tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.